Namaskar, Jai Shri Krishna. Rationalizing text 64 and text 65 of chapter 18, conclusion, the perfection of renunciation of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Text 64. Sarva Guhya Tamam Bhuyah Shrunu Me Paramam Vachah Ishto Asi Me Dhrudamiti Tato Vakshayami Te Hitam. Because you are my very dear friend, I am speaking to you my supreme instruction, the most confidential knowledge of all. Hear this from me, for it is for your benefit. The Lord has given Arjun knowledge that is confidential knowledge of Brahman and still more confidential knowledge of the super soul within everyone's heart, and now he is giving the most confidential part of knowledge. Just surrender unto the supreme personality of Godhead. At the end of the 9th chapter, he has said, Mana Manaha, just always think of me. The same instruction is repeated here to stress the essence of the teachings of Bhagavad Gita. This essence is not understood by a common man, but by one who is actually very dear to Krishna, a pure devotee of Krishna. This is the most important instruction in all Vedic literature. What Krishna is saying in this connection is the most essential part of knowledge, and it should be carried out not only by Arjun, but by all living entities. Text 65. Manamana bhava madabhakto madayaji mama namaskuru Mame Vaishyasi Satyam Te Pratijane Priyo Asi Me. Always think of me, become my devotee, worship me and offer your homage unto me. Thus you will come to me without fail. I promise you this because you are my very dear friend. The most confidential part of knowledge is that one should become a pure devotee of Krishna and always think of him and act for him. One should not become an official meditator. Life should be so molded that one will always have the chance to think of Krishna. One should always act in such a way that all his daily activities are in connection with Krishna. He should arrange his life in such a way that throughout the 24 hours he cannot but think of Krishna. And the Lord's promise is that anyone who is in such pure Krishna's consciousness will certainly return to the abode of Krishna, where he will be engaged in the association of Krishna face to face. This most confidential part of knowledge is spoken to Arjun because he is the dear friend of Krishna. Everyone who follows the path of Arjun can become a dear friend to Krishna and obtains the same perfection as Arjun. These words stress that one should concentrate his mind upon Krishna, the very form with two hands carrying a flute, the bluish boy with a beautiful face and peacock feathers in his hair. There are descriptions of Krishna found in the Brahma Samhita and other literatures. One should fix his mind on this original form of Godhead Krishna. One should not even divert his attention to other forms of the Lord. The Lord has multi-forms as Vishnu, Narayan, Ram, Varaha, etc. But a devotee should concentrate his mind on the form that was present before Arjun. Concentration of the mind on the form of Krishna constitutes the most confidential part of knowledge. And this is disclosed to Arjun because Arjun is the most dear friend of Krishna's. Thank you.